Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Gabriela and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you a belly dancing combination. Ready? Let's begin. We're going to do today's combination on the left side first, and then we'll do everything on the right, and it's going to consist of one count of 8. So let's begin with the first move. We're going to start in the center, bend your knees a little bit of a plie, and we're going to draw figure 8 with the hip, adding shimmy to that figure 8. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you notice, I'm starting with the left hip and then moving on to the right, also shifting the weight. So when you finish your figure 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to bring the weight again to the left and thrust by contracting your glutes. 5, 6, and then step 7, turn 8. And we'll start everything with the other side. So the first count of 4 is a figure 8. This time we'll do right, left, and thrust. Right, left, step on the right, turn. Awesome. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 5, 6, 7, turn. Shimmy, shimmy, thrust, thrust, step, turn. Again. Shimmy, shimmy, thrust, thrust, step, turn. And shimmy, shimmy, thrust, thrust, step, turn. Awesome. Feel free to include this combination in any of your choreographies. If you want to learn the rest of it, you can head over to my Patreon account and also help support this channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and you can turn on the little notification bell so that you can find out when there's a new belly dance or stretching tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!